Hello, Marion, and everyone over there at GTS Packaging Solutions. Thank you for getting in touch with me on Friday. This is the video I mentioned that I was going to shoot over the weekend. Just giving a few tips and showing how you can optimize what I do to optimize your website so you can show up for searches. I'm sure you know about 90% of adults these days, when looking for local services or businesses, they use Google. And about 70% do not leave the first page of Google. For example, if I was looking for a packaging company in Philadelphia and I searched for this, 70% of people will not leave this first page. So it's important to have to rank high for different searches in Google. So just to start with, the three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content has everything to do with what's on your front page. Everything that you can see I've highlighted, all the text, the pictures, the words behind the pictures, what your pictures are saved as, etc. To optimize with Google, it's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text. And by that I mean text that shows exactly who you are, what you're about, the locations you service, what services you provide, etc. So on your front page, landing page, I know you mentioned a lot about GTS in your about pages, on one of your back pages, but it's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page. Also, that text should be saturated with keywords. And by keywords, I mean these phrases that people use to search for your business. For example, packaging company Philadelphia. If someone searches for that, and it's important to have that phrase within the text on your website. I have a tool called Ahrefs. It's a popular tool. A lot of people use it, and we can analyze different keywords and see how many people are searching for them per month. For example, packaging company Philadelphia, about 30 people search for that per month. And we can even see what websites they go to and click on. For example, I know that one of your competitors here in Philly is providentpackaging.com. And they get about 4 people going to their website because they're in the 3rd position. So if you were to rank higher than them, you'd be able to grab this traffic for this one keyword. Now, just to analyze these guys, I'm going to look at this tool. Tells me the keywords that your competition is ranking for. So for example, if someone searches packaging Philadelphia, there are 10 people who search for that every month, and because they're in the 1st position, they get 4 people going to the website. Packaging companies in Philadelphia, about 30 people search for that per month. They get 4 people as well going to their website because they're in the 3rd position. Another example, packaging companies in PA, 40 people search for that per month. They get about 2 people going to their website because, like you can see, they are 8th position in Google for that. So if we were to take all of these keywords that your competition is ranking for, saturate them onto your website, and then implement these other 2 tips which I'm going to talk about, you'll be able to rise up in Google searches, and you'll be able to grab this traffic that your competition is getting currently. The second thing I want to talk about is our backlinks. Citations. Citations are anywhere across the internet in many different directories where your name, address, and phone number are cited in different directories. So for example, LinkedIn, Yelp, Superpages, Dexnos, whitepages.com. The more authoritative and the higher number of citations that you have, the higher you'll rank in this area here. This is called a map pack. So whenever you do a Google search, you'll see this area with a map and 3 businesses. And then below that are what's known as organic search listings. And I'm going to get to that in a minute. But first, with this area here, to be able to rank higher and higher, to be able to be one of these 3 companies here that you see, you just need to have more and more higher quality Citations. There are tools out there that we can use to find out what citations your competition has, and it's just a matter of matching them and then probably beating them by 50 or 100 different citations so that you can show up here and get more traffic. Third thing I want to talk about is our backlinks, and they have to do with this organic listing, organic search results here. Backlinks, if you think of the internet as a collection of web pages all linked together, a backlink is where a link on one website directs traffic to your website. So for example, if there's a packaging forum in Philadelphia and they have a blog out and they put a link there directing people to your website, that's known as a backlink, a good backlink. Not all backlinks are the same, because if it was a pizza company linking to you, Google sees that as, two different niches, and they will not count that as a good backlink. Again, I can go back to the tool, and I can analyze your website or your competition's websites and just look at the number of backlinks that you have and the quality of backlinks. You can see here they have 288 from 33 referring domains. And here your website, when I put it into the tool, it shows me you have 281 backlinks from 22 domains. You're also ranking for 70 keywords. All these, if people search for these terms, we can tell how many people search per month, and we can look at the traffic that you're getting because of these positions where you rank at. So it would be my job to get you more traffic by increasing your position. But back to backlinks. So I can go into your competition's backlinks and find out where they are, what kind of backlinks they have, and make sure that your backlinks, you have more backlinks than them and higher quality backlinks. And in that way, you'll start to beat your competition in these organic search results. And hopefully come up here. I've looked at your competition. You're not that far behind for certain keywords. So I don't think it would be too hard to beat your competition and start ranking higher than them. So those are the three things I wanted to talk about: citations, backlinks, and content. I hope to talk to you later on today, and we'll see how we can partner together. Again, I am Charles from Wadi Digital. I just wanted to put my website up here. I know I'd shared it with you. I hope this has helped. You can give this to your SEO person and ask them if they're doing these things, or we can talk about working together, because I'd love to see you get more traffic. Thank you very much, Marianne.